Good morning, students. Today we will discuss topic sports stadium. Okay, in India. So sports, sports means खेल, किसी भी टाइप के गेम्स जो खेले जाते हैं, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्रिकेट, हॉकी, बास्केटबॉल, बैडमिंटन, टेनिस, एक्सेट्रा. Okay. So stadium means stadium is a place or venue. प्लेस एंड वेन्यू मीन्स जगह, कोई भी ऐसी जगह है फॉर आउटडोर स्पोर्ट्स. सो स्टेडियम है वो एक ऐसी जगह है जो कि आउटडोर गेम्स के लिए यूज़ होती है, जहाँ पे कि आउटडोर गेम्स होते हैं. कंसर्ट और अदर इवेंट्स. कंसर्ट मीन्स किसी भी टाइप के, जैसे कोई रैली वगैरह होनी होती है या किसी भी अदर पर्पज़ के लिए जैसे उसको यूज़ किया जा रहा है. इवेंट्स, किसी भी टाइप का इवेंट, जैसे कोई मतलब जैसे किसी जो मिनिस्टर्स होते हैं उनका कोई मीन्स वो हो रहा है, रैली वगैरह हो रही है, या कुछ भी अदर पर्पज होता है, जैसे जहाँ पे कि ज़्यादा स्पेस चाहिए, कोई ऐसा इवेंट होता है, उसके लिए स्टेडियम है उसको यूज़ किया जा सकता है. So a stadium is a place or venue for the outdoor sports, concert or other events. Multi-purpose stadiums are a type of stadium designed to be specially used by multiple types of events. So multi-purpose जो stadium है यूज़ किए जाते हैं और उनको इस तरह से डिज़ाइन किया जाता है कि वो मल्टीपल मीन्स डिफरेंट जो इवेंट्स हैं अलग अलग तरह के, उनके लिए यूज़ किया जा सके. ओके, सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी हैव गिवन सम फेमस स्टेडियम ऑफ इंडिया. सो वी शुड आइडेंटिफाई देम एंड दैट वेयर दी स्पोर्ट्स स्टेडियम लोकेटेड, कि ये कहाँ है. हमें इनकी पिक्चर दी गई है, उसको हमें देखना है एंड वी शुड आइडेंटिफाई दैट वेयर इट इज़ लोकेटेड बाय नेम एंड पिक्चर. सो लुक एट द फर्स्ट पिक्चर. And this stadium is called Ambedkar Stadium. Okay, so where it is located? This stadium is located in Delhi. Okay, this stadium is located in Delhi, Ambedkar Stadium. Now look at the second picture. So this stadium is located in, if we talk about the state, then it is in Rajasthan, and if we talk about the particular city, so name of this stadium is firstly Sawai Mansingh Stadium. So you should tell that where it is located. Sawai Mansingh Stadium. It is also called SMS Stadium, Sawai Mansingh Stadium. Okay, other SMS hospital is also there. Okay, and other hint like Hawa Mahal is also there. So what is the name of that city? You have to tell yourself only. Okay, now look at the third picture. So this is the picture of, name of this stadium is Wankhede Stadium. Okay, and this stadium, Wankhede Stadium, this stadium is located in Mumbai. Okay, look at the next picture. Fourth, look at this picture, fourth picture. This stadium is Ranjit Stadium. The name of this stadium is Ranjit Stadium, and this Ranjit Stadium is located in Kolkata. Okay, this stadium is located in Kolkata. Now look at the fifth picture. So name of this stadium, fifth picture, name of this stadium is Yadvindra Stadium. Name of this stadium is Yadvindra Stadium. So where it is located? This stadium is located in Patiala. Okay, this stadium is located in Patiala, and name of this stadium is Yadvandra Stadium. Look at the sixth picture carefully. Sixth picture. Name of this stadium is Chepauk Stadium. Name of this stadium is Chepauk Stadium. This stadium is located in Chennai. Okay, where it is located? It is located in Chennai, Chepauk Stadium. Now look at the seventh picture. Name of this stadium is Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium. Very famous name, Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium. Okay, so this stadium is located in Hyderabad. Where it is located? Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium. Where it is located? It is in Hyderabad. Okay. Look at the eighth picture. This Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium, it is located in Hyderabad. Look at the eighth picture. This is Talkotra Indoor Stadium. Talkotra Indoor Stadium. This stadium is located in Delhi, capital of India, Delhi. Okay. Look at the ninth picture. Look at the ninth picture. This name of this stadium is International Cricket Stadium, means ICS. It is also called ICS, International Cricket Stadium. This ninth picture, name of this stadium is International Cricket Stadium, and this stadium is located in Lucknow. Okay, this stadium is located in Lucknow. Look at the 10th picture. Look at the 10th picture. So name of this stadium is Green Park Stadium. Name of this stadium is Green Park Stadium. Okay. Where it is located? This stadium is located in Kanpur. Green Park Stadium. Name of this stadium is Green Park Stadium, and this stadium is located in Kanpur. Now look at the 11th picture. Look at the 11th picture. Okay. Look at this picture, and name of this stadium is Brabourne Stadium. Brabourne Stadium. And this stadium is located in Jamshedpur. This stadium is located in Mumbai. Okay, Brabourne Stadium, it is located in Mumbai. Now look at the 12th picture. Look at the 12th picture. This stadium, name of this stadium is Kenan Stadium, and this stadium is located in Jamshedpur. Okay, this stadium is located in Jamshedpur. Now look at the 13th picture. Look at this picture. Okay, name of this stadium is National Stadium, and where it is located? This stadium is located in Delhi. This stadium is located in Delhi. Now look at this national stadium is located in Delhi. Now look at the 14th picture. Okay, so name of this stadium is Yuva Bharati Stadium, and this stadium is located in Kolkata. Okay, so we have discussed many type of stadium in India. So first is Ambedkar, it is located in Delhi. Then Sawai Man Singh Stadium, it is located in Jaipur. Then Wankhede Stadium, it is located in Mumbai. Then Ranjit Stadium, it is located in Kolkata. Then Yadvindra Stadium, it is located in Patiala. Then Chepauk Stadium, it is located in Chennai. Then Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium, it is located in Hyderabad. Then Talkotara Stadium, it is located in Delhi. Then International Cricket Stadium, it is located in Lucknow. Then Green Park Stadium, it is located in Kanpur. Then Brabourne Stadium, it is located in Mumbai. Then Kenan Stadium, it is located in Jamshedpur. Then National Stadium, it is located in Delhi. Then Yuva Bharati Stadium, it is located in Kolkata. So out of these 14, maximum stadium are located in Delhi. Okay, there are 3 stadium that are located in Delhi. Okay, 3 stadium are there that are located in Delhi. Okay, so students, watch the video and write the answer of this question in given column. Like Ambedkar Stadium, where it is located? It is located in Delhi, so you have to write Delhi here. Okay, so write the answer of all the name of the stadium where it is located here in the given sheet. Okay, if you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.